We'll give the canard attempt a rest for now. It's not quite flying as well as I was hoping, so I might have to make a proper little canard glider based on this design, but we'll have the tail at the right end, tail as in fin. So I'll put the weight back on so we can at least see it fly as a normal glider. This is one of my very early designs. Give that a little bit more of a throw. Oh, it wants to fly, this one. Let's try aiming a bit lower. Yeah, this one flies fine. Could probably lengthen the nose so it doesn't need quite so much weight. I might have to remake one of these. I'll put the old video up in the corner or something, or certainly a link in the video description. But I'd forgotten how nicely this one flies. And I'll definitely have to try and make a canard version.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.